Here we are in Central Avenue going over the river. Beautiful day today. Temperature now is up to about 21 degrees, which is comfortable, and there's a breeze from the sea where we're heading very shortly. Here we are, nós chegamos ao Jardim Botânico, em frente a mar. Maravilha! Muito pessoas aqui para turista fotografia. Em frente para Pacific Ocean. Here we are, nós chegamos ao Jardim Botânico, em frente a mar. Maravilha! Muito pessoas aqui para turista fotografia. Em frente para Pacific Ocean. Olá, Pacífica. Vina Del Mar, é praia. A distância outro lado, Valparaíso. Nós viajamos lá no outro dia. É Castillo aqui como restaurante bar. Acima aqui cassino. No Cassino Royal James Bond. É praia. É Smile, Virginia. We have found a beachside restaurant. Jardim along the esplanade. On the other side where we've just been with the gardens. Everywhere is flowers and baskets and plants. Very wide open roads and spaces. Wonderful city, clean. Okay, we are by the Sheraton Hotel. Okay, the Pacific Ocean is beautiful. In the far side we have another beach area of Vina Del Mar, and a point here. There's looks like a castle hotel and more hotels going back up on the cliffs, and if I sweep around, more up above me. Wonderful. Time for eating. We're in the main avenue with lots of outdoor restaurants and cafes. Virginia is hungry and thirsty. Very bohemian here. Oh, wonderful, yes. Our first day. Main avenue there. Distance about 400 meters is our Posada. This is the main high street, or one of them. Yeah? Everything in baskets, gardens, and plenty of places to sit. And as we're just after lunchtime, many places to sit. And a garden with flowers, everybody selling. Very floral. winter. No motorbikes here and no cycles at all. Everybody goes around by car. This is a big plaza with big avenues coming around all everywhere. And the main plaza with the fountains, we'll have a break there.